Hey y'all, welcome back to another Squeaky Clean Life video. This power hour is going to be super realistic because, to be honest with you, I did not feel like cleaning. I had a bad headache this day, but I got up, set my timer for 1 hour and got to cleaning. So let's go ahead and jump right into this motivation.
Then I changed my mind. Maybe we got time to make this right. Can I be the one that you need? Maybe if I change the way I love it, maybe if I try to fix this start then I could have stayed the night, I could have called you mine. If I change the way I love, if I change the way I love, if I change, if I change the way I
So this day I didn't have a whole lot to do in the kitchen. I did get groceries, so I wanted to wipe down all the surfaces and just get the dishes cleaned up. Go ahead and wipe down all of the appliances because they had fingerprints everywhere. I also wanted to go ahead and kind of deep clean my stove a little bit because it was real greasy. So we got that done, and then I was able to move on.
Then I changed my mind. Maybe we got time to make this right. Can I be the one that you need? Maybe if I change the way I love it, maybe if I try to fix this start then I could have stayed the night, I could have called you mine. If I change the way I change my mind, baby, we got time to make this right.
Now, I know somebody might say something about me putting these potatoes in the refrigerator, but honestly, they just last longer in the fridge to me. Does anybody else store their potatoes in the fridge, or do you all just store them in your pantry? I need them to last a little bit longer than like a week or so if I leave them out. So I go ahead and refrigerate them, and it's been good to me.
If I change the way I change my mind, maybe we got time to make this right. Can I be the one that you need? If I change the way I love. I'm feeling way too low to start this night, but I wanna get to your bash. Last night you tried to make me angry, yeah, but this time I get you mad.
Alright, y'all, so now it's time to clean this stove. And if you've been rocking with me since day one, you know that when we were living in our apartment, we had the same type of stove with these drip pans, and I clean them every single day. Y'all, I just slacked a couple days, and I could tell because there was a little grease on here. So I had to get in here and give this a good wipe down.
Weekend, don't wanna ever get lost to the sun. Oh no, we can't get enough of the weekend. We wanna seize the night like we can't let go. Can't get enough of the weekend. Don't wanna ever get lost to the sun. Oh no. Sometimes I wonder how I managed to get
If this is your very first time visiting my channel today, hi, welcome. My name is Sean, and I'm a wife and a stay-at-home mom of two. I have a 2-year-old, and my son will be 5 in just a few days, and we live here in Mississippi. Over on my channel, you will find these power hour cleaning videos to help you just get a lot done in 1 hour. I hope that you find these motivating enough to subscribe. I would love to have you join my YouTube family. You can leave me a comment introducing yourself so we can get to know each other.
Sitting on the front porch, sipping on the rocks. Citrus in our
So Sydney was in a cleaning mood this day, you guys. She wanted to help me with every single task, and I thought it was so adorable because I remember when Blake used to like to help me, and now it's like I have a teenager and he's just about to be 5. So I enjoy these cute little bonding moments.
goes round and round the rodeo, breathing out air for a minute, taking my time to begin with. On and on it goes, swinging down in life.
So the kitchen cleaning left me with about 31 minutes, and I wanted to go ahead and head right into the living room and get that tidied up. There was toys and who even knows up in here. Okay, the kids were having a good time. I know you see that hamper of laundry right there. I actually have 2 to tackle, so I just want to go ahead and get this tidied up so I can start on some laundry.
Put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah, put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah. Listening to me crime, to get a little lost in everybody's business. Why don't we all calm down? Why don't we all calm down? I think I'm the wrong size, not enough room for everybody's egos. Why don't we all calm down? Why don't we all calm down? On and on it goes, round and round the rodeo, breathing out air for a minute, taking my time to begin with. On and on it goes, swinging down in life, you know, breathing out air for a minute. Yeah. Hey, would you rather stay right here, make everything disappear? Keep playing my favorite song, put your rose-colored glasses on. What if we stay right here, make everything disappear? Lay low in the beaches, sun, put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah, put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah. Isn't this a good life? Sitting on the front porch, sipping on the rocks. Citrus in
So being fully transparent, this laundry had been sitting in the living room for about 2 days. I just didn't get around to folding it because I've been tired. You guys, jumping back into YouTube full time has made me so exhausted. I'm a person that was going to bed at 8, 9 p.m. and now I'm up to 12 and 1 o'clock, and your girl is just tired, but I truly enjoy making these videos for you guys. So if you're enjoying this content, leave me some hand clap emojis, okay? Round of applause to your girl for coming back strong and knocking out these power hours.
put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah, put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah, put your rose-colored glasses on. Put your rose-colored glasses on. Don't deny that I could use some company. All my friends say, honey, just let him be. Now your perfume stuck on my shirt, and there's an empty left in my bed. I don't know about you, but put you first. I bought some new flowers, they're all dead. First you were I just want your time. I just want your time. Your time, oh, time. I need your time. 365, 24/7, I'll be fine. As long as you spend a little time. Just want your time. Shadows anymore. But then you put doubts and doubts and doubts in my mind. Still, you make me feel like we could be something more, something more. First you are in, then you are out, like snow in the spring. I just want your time. I just want your time. Your time, oh, time. I need your time. 365, 24/7, I'll be fine. As long as you spend a little time. Oh, spend a little time. I need your time. Spend a little time, spend a little time, yeah.
So I know I told you guys that I had 2 hampers of laundry to fold, but my husband actually took the other one in the kitchen and folded that for me. I was so thankful because, oh, look, I was done cleaning, okay? I was done. I was ready to relax. But the kids were eating while I was cleaning the kitchen, so I wasn't able to clean the dining room. So once I'm done folding the laundry, I'm going to head back in there and get it all clean. Now, all right, y'all, 9 minutes left on the clock. Let's get it done.
If you ever feel alone, 'cause yeah, sometimes we'll feel alone. In a second, I'll be right there. Turn around, let it rain. Turn around and let it rain on me. Don't you be afraid. Just follow me. You don't need no space. Me like a Friday night on the weekend. I feel blessed and free. I just don't want this moment to end.
So we are approaching the end of this video. I truly hope that you enjoyed and it gave you some motivation to power through some cleaning around your home. Even if you are tired, get up, set that timer for an hour and get it done. Please don't forget to give this video a like. Some of y'all act like y'all allergic to that like button, okay? But if you've watched this far and enjoyed, please leave me a like. I mean, if you leave me a dislike, that's petty, but that's cool too. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Like I said, like, comment, subscribe if you're new, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.
Now you're always on my mind. You're on my mind. Turn around, hold me tight. Turn around and we will be alright. Don't you be afraid.